Alright, that's texture right there. This texture stuff is drying. So that's all done. This is the playing through with baseboard. So that's the one right there. Go upstairs. Didn't do much this hallway. I didn't want to spot the walls up. Actually, let me do paint all the way. This is just some texture on the walls, drying, covering up the holes. Same thing in here. Those little gray areas that's texture on the wall drying. That's to cover up the holes. And I have to hit that with another layer of paint. This is the main hallway. That's texture I put over on top of that, so I gotta hit that with another coat of paint. And these halls, immaculate. Job wise. Alright, cool. I think this was the darker wall. Texture dry. More texture dry. I notice it shrunk even more. So maybe I could have put a lot on it. Oh, let's go upstairs. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway. That's not dry. Alright. Cool. Okay, this room is also done.